Hi, this is Kelly Brown, and today we're going to talk about the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function is a very, very cool function. It can be very useful and save you a lot of time on work. We have some data in a worksheet in front of us. We have a last name column, first name column, and a status column. And you will notice in the status column that most of the entries say active, but every once in a while you see an inactive. And here's another inactive. But there's a lot of cells in this piece of data. If I go all the way down, you're going to see there's 1,820 cells in this worksheet, and I don't want to have to go and count each one of them one by one to find how many inactive. I want Excel to be able to do that for me. So what is the total number of cells that contain inactive? That's our question today. So what we want to do is, I'm going to go down to the bottom, not that far up. I'm going to go to the bottom, and I want my answer to appear in this yellow cell for here, right here. It's going to tell me I want the number of inactive cells, that number to appear in this yellow cell. So this is where I want to place my formula. And I know I want to use the COUNTIF function. So what I'm going to do is go up here to the formula bar, which is this. I'm going to click on this FX button, which is the Insert Function button. And I'm going to type in COUNTIF. Oops, I may need to spell it correctly. And I'm going to click Go to the right of it. And then I'm going to see COUNTIF appears right there for me. It's already highlighted, so I just can click OK. And now this argument box appears for the COUNTIF function. So this is telling me what I need to do in order to calculate the COUNTIF. It needs to know the range of data it's looking for. So I want it to look for all the cells with data in this column. So I'm going to click at that bottom cell, click Control Shift, arrow up, and it selected all the cells in that column that have data. It's cells C3 colon C1820, which means all the cells between C3 or through C1820. So that's what I needed to do. So now I'm going to click in the next box there. It says criteria. And what does it mean by criteria? Well, it tells me down here. Criteria is the condition in the form of a number, expression, or text that defines which cells will be counted. Well, which cells will be counted? The cells that have the word inactive. So I'm going to type in inactive. That's what I wanted to count in this range of cells. That's all I need. So now I'm going to click OK. And when I go down here, I now have the number 11. So that is telling me that in all these 1,820 cells, there's only 11 that have the word inactive in it. And that is how you use the COUNTIF function.